Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make the most expensive recipe I've ever made. It's mac and cheese. It was so delicious, it was sweet, but here it left a dent in my bank account. So to our ingredients, have all-purpose flour, we have oregano, we have curry powder, we have black pepper, we have paprika, we have cheese, mozzarella cheese, we have unsalted butter, we have bacon, we have salt, we have macaroni, and some milk in that cup. First step, we're going to fry our bacon, or rather to brown them, whatever. I overloaded the pan. But I didn't want them to cook all the way through, so I was going to put them in the oven. That's why I overloaded the pan. In the same pan, but it's now cleaned, some butter, some unsalted butter. Melt some unsalted butter. Then the all-purpose flour. This is where I made the mistake. I added so much flour. I think I underestimated. To make it not cramp, of which mine cramped, add some milk. I should have added the milk before the flour. It formed lumps, but at the end you'll see the lumps were gone before the recipe. Before I added the macaroni. Keep whisking. Keep whisking, not form lumps. Don't add the flour before the milk, like I did. And it was so thick, so I kept adding more and more milk. Next, we have to spice this thing up. You don't have to use spices. You can just use salt if you prefer. For me, I used some paprika, black pepper, curry powder, and oregano. If you don't like spices, you don't have to add them. You can just season with some salt. I had not added the salt, that's why I'm adding it at this time. And as you can see, the lumps majority of them are gone by this time. I wish I added some turmeric for the color. Now this is where we add the bacon. After I fried it, I chopped it. Now I'm adding the bacon and the cheese. I tried to grate the cheese and it was so much work, and I figured because it must melt, I can cut it into pieces for it to melt, because grating cheese is a lot of work, a lot of messy work. I boiled my macaroni in some water and salt. I drained the water and now I'm adding it into this sauce. At this time the mac and cheese is done, it's ready. You can eat it at this point. But I thought of browning mine. Here I had to taste first, and I almost married myself. At this point I'm going to marry myself. That was so sweet, but I had to add some salt. So in a preheated oven, okay, first I had to add some cheese on top, but I had preheated my oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. And so I added the whole pot. I browned it in the oven, and these were the results. It was so sweet. I'm already hungry watching it again. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.